So Kong, do you have any stuff?
Here. This is the potion of furry,
Oh. Give me that.
What's next? Will you throw in?
Ah. Good idea. I hate him because he makes grounded videos out of me. How about you?
I hate him too because he's acting like Elsa.
I will throw him and make him a fan of Avatar.
I am going to play tennis with my friends.
Hello noob. I'm throwing you with this potion because you make grounded video out of me.
Hey. First, I'm never making grounded video anymore due to biting newcomers. Second, why you try to throw me with it?
Shut up noob. Ouch. You noob, I will get out of here. Stupid. I failed. Wait. I didn't become a furry. Okay then. Let's party. I don't feel so.
Son. I heard you sleep at living room. When I sent to your bedroom. Also. Why you are a furry. The species is active for 3 days. 3 days more to that species is inactive.
I don't see anything.
Look at yourself. Also. It's 6:30. Go to school right now. TNT, I can't hold. Ha 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 ha.